The number type lets you enter only numerical values. You can, of course, type in numbers into the cell even when there is no type set. But if you use the number type, you can set constraints and generally have more control over the numbers. There are multiple options for the number type that we can modify. We can set the minimum and maximum possible values. Suppose the attribute represents value in a currency, like a price or a budget. In that case, we can set the desired currency and Lumeer will automatically add the correct currency symbol to each value. Then there are also these options. Force sign option. If we turn this on, Lumeer will always add a sign in front of the numbers. Counting negative numbers will put brackets around negative numbers. The compact mode will display big numbers in a compact format, which means that, for example, 10,000 will be displayed as 10k or 10 million will be displayed as 10m. Thousands separated will always separate thousands with separators based on the current currency. And if you didn't set any currency, it will use a comma. The last thing we can set here is the rounding. We can round the numbers up to 10 decimal digits. When you set all the rules, Lumeer will check the values in the table. If someone tries to enter a value that does not fit the rules, they won't be allowed to proceed. Or if any numbers that were already in the table don't match the format, Lumeer will highlight them with red color, so you can easily spot them and fix them. After we set up the number type and type in all the values, we can display them in a visual way on a chart. We might need to record numbers as fractions in some cases, like when you want to track task progress. In these cases, it is more beneficial to use the percentage type. The percentage type automatically formats any numerical values as percentages. You don't need to write the percentage sign, Lumeer will add it automatically. Like the number type, you can set the minimal and maximal value and round the number to the selected number of decimal digits. Lumeer can display the values either numerically with the percentage sign or visually using a progress bar. When you decide to use the progress bar, you can configure the color by clicking on the palette icon. Here's an example of using the progress bar to track progress of tasks.